In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your curse in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to see all of the curses available in Jujutsu Chronicles and how to change yours. So you will be able to do this by going over to Miyashi Park. So go and spawn in Miyashi Park and go in this direction. When you see these two signs, you will be able to see a lot of neon signs over here in these buildings, and you just have to keep going forward. Once you reach this set of stairs, turn to the left and you will find these two NPC. The one at the left will offer you to clan swap, so you can see all of the different clans and swap between them. But if you talk to the one on the left, you will be able to change your curse technique. So all that you have to do to change curse in Jujutsu Chronicles is to talk to this NPC at the left. I'm the curse surgeon and I can switch your technique for you. Want to give it a chance? So as you can see at the right side of the screen, we have the percentages for every single curse available in the game. Some of them are super rare like mythical, then we have legendary, rare, and common. And all that you have to do is click spin. You will use one of your limited spins to change techniques, and of course, you will be able to keep spinning until you reach the pity of 150. If you reach pity, you will be granted one of the super rare ones, and all that you have to do is go over to this NPC and keep spinning. And there are various ways to get spins for free. In this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail, but of course you can explore around the map and try to get them from just acquiring them over and over. You can also buy them for Robux by clicking on these options here, but all that you have to do to actually change your curse is to talk to this NPC and use the spin option until eventually you land on the one that you want. Of course, the more rarer ones like mythical and legendary are going to be better, but the drop chances are extremely low, so you just have to keep trying a bunch of times until you get them. I hope I was able to help you on how to change curse in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.